In this crash course, we will cover some advanced features in NoveList Plus to help readers discover their next favorite book. First, let's talk about the Story Elements Index. It's like a treasure map for finding books based on specific elements like genres and subgenres, themes, pacing, and much more. Find the Story Elements Index under the Quick Links section and let your imagination guide you. Julie Rayner, Digital Services and Marketing Coordinator from High Point Public Library, will now share how she's used this feature in her work.
We'll start with the Story Elements Index. And this is a sort of a starting guide for some of the terms that NoveList uses in a lot of their search tools. Story elements include their appeals, factors, themes, and genres. So most of us understand, kind of the genres, but NoveList can really provide up-to-date information about every type of genre and subgenre, and they're keeping current with all the new ones. Over here on the side, you can kind of test some of these out. The appeal factors is something that's relatively new, but when you're in a conversation with somebody trying to find a new book for them, using these appeal factors can really get to the heart of the types of books they're wanting to read. So that's really useful when you are having those direct conversations with people. Once again, you kind of try out they have some options there. And the themes are also good for talking to patrons, but it also is good if you are looking for a really innovative, fun kind of display topic. This might be somewhere to go. If you're just tired of the same old display topics. So there's these resources too. And if you look over kind of underneath here, there is a YouTube channel. We've got links to all of these resources, and they have great short videos on using all of this stuff. So it goes really in depth. So that's something to keep in mind.
Now, let's say you're in the mood for a particular genre and want to see what's new and popular in that genre. With NoveList Plus, you can easily navigate through different genres like mystery, romance, science fiction, and many others. Simply click on Browse by Genre and explore to your heart's content.
So going back over here to the Browse by, we'll look at the genre. And this truly at a glance, I mean, it's just all genres. You can choose, as you see right there, as the top genre categories or the most popular ones. And this is adults. If you want crime and suspense, fantasy, historical fiction, horror, gothic, you get the idea, mysteries. And you will also see all of those genre categories with the different age groups. So the teens, and so if we go back to just to see how it breaks down, so this will show you could break it down to contemporary. I mean, it will totally break down for you the different subgenres. And if you're really needing a quick spot to go to, I only read the Christian romance, I've read everything, what's something that I could get? Log into NoveList, come over here to this Browse by Genre, choose romance, and there it is.
Let's take it to the next level. Genre guides provide insightful recommendations, key authors and up-and-coming authors in a genre, and tips for marketing specific genres. They're perfect for diving deeper into your favorite literary worlds and getting up to speed with a genre quickly. You can find these in the Quick Links section.
So with that, the genre guides, several of you mentioned wanting to learn more about these genres. Looking into the genre guides will allow you to do that, sort of give you a quick way to get some training. This one right here seems like it would apply to some of the requests that you all made, graphic novels for older kids. So, and you can see that this pulls up a list of articles and that kind of thing for a variety of different things. NoveList is just as useful for nonfiction and kids' books as it is for adult fiction. So that's just something to keep in mind.
Sometimes it's not about the genre, but the theme that resonates with a reader. NoveList Plus lets you explore books based on common themes, such as enemies to lovers in the romance genre. Click on Browse by Theme and discover stories that speak to your soul.
And the themes come in, like I mentioned before, a lot of it is great ideas for displays. And it gives some education. I mean, if you are trying to learn more about themes, once again, just participating in, viewing some of these quick videos, it will then help you understand the ways that authors and publishers are thinking about books and ways to connect them with your readers. So as you can see, there's YouTube video. This Idea Center is amazing. I would strongly suggest taking a look at that as you have time. Lots of great resources, and then just blog posts as well. So it's all here. And yes, like I said before, you could spend hours really, truly drilling down into some of this and finding something that will be very useful to you.
Now we will switch gears to audiobooks. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply relaxing at home, audiobooks offer a fantastic way to read on the go. Just click on Browse by Audiobooks and help readers find captivating narrations.
And there's also some great resources and novelists that focus on audiobooks. I don't know about you guys, but we have a lot of folks that just really only do audiobooks. And when they added these features in to help you focus on the audiobooks, that was a great help to me. It will, the same kinds of things. It's new and forthcoming. All these recommended reads over here based on some of the more popular categories, the audiobook awards. Biographies in my library are incredibly popular, especially on audio, especially when the celebrities narrate them.
Last but not least, let's celebrate literary excellence with award-winning books. NoveList Plus showcases titles that have been honored with awards, helping you discover titles recognized for their outstanding quality. This is a great way to get up to speed in a genre as well. For instance, the Hugo Awards are a major award for science fiction. You can find this page by going to the Browse By tab and selecting Browse By Award Winners.
And it's all here. I mentioned the award winners, and that will be, the recent award winners. And then it will go into a very extensive list of the popular awards for the variety of different age groups. If you know you're going to want to always focus on the Pulitzers or the Nobels, you can get those lists here. If you know you're always going to want to get the Michael Prince Award, you'll get that here. So it's just a great, once again, they are helping us do our job smarter because they've already got it here available for us to access without having to, go and do a search and find a list. It's already all in here. We don't even have to go anywhere outside of it.
And there you have it. With NoveList Plus, those advanced features can help you get the most out of the resource. Now let's recap. The Story Elements Index is a go-to tool for learning about all the genres, themes, and appeals that are used to categorize recommendations in NoveList. You can also use the Browse By pages to browse by genre, theme, audiobook, and award winner to get immediate suggestions and inspiration for book displays. The Browse By tab can be found in the top left corner. And don't forget about the genre guides. Those are a great way to learn about a genre that you might not read yourself. Links to additional training resources can be found in the description below. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.